All right. So this one-page funnel system is literally on fire right now. A lot of people are joining the one-page funnel system, and they've started promoting their link and making some money with it. Let me just quickly show you. Uh, let me take you straight to my Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account right now. You can see my name there. So we are going to do a little search. Let's see. Yeah, let's do a little search on that. All right, now look at why is it doing like that? That's not the search I want. Sorry about that, guys. I want to do a little search for you. Yes, can you see that? You can see the way the sales are just jumping in. Can you see all the sales? Even today alone, I think we've made close to 6 sales today, right? So you can see all the proof there. So we are able to make consistent sales with this system over and over and over again. Let me see. Let's 14 hours ago, that's long. All right, now look at that. Look at sale. Can you see all the sales that are just popping in? Sales, sale, good news, you've made a sale, commission, good news here, good news there. And look at the date, right? That's today. So you can see the sales are popping in very, very fast. Because the one-page funnel system is an awesome system. It only costs $7, all right? But you can make some very good amount of money with it, all right? Even though it's just a $7 program, all right? Let's even go straight to the Facebook group. And then you see some people. Let's see if we can find some of them. You can already start seeing them, right? Now look at Marius. Marius today just received his first payout, right? Through Wise. He was paid $600 today from one page funnel system straight to his Wise account. Okay. Look at Carlos. Carlos made a sale just like me, right? And let's check some other people. This is Carlos again. You can just look at the amount of sales he's getting. It's amazing. It's amazing. Let's see more people. Ratnaka. Ratnaka got a bank transfer of his commission to his bank. That's another good one. So so a lot of people are doing well. And you can see Ratnaka made over $1,000 with the one-page funnel system, which has just how many days? Like it's amazing. And he's not the only one that has made very good money with one-page funnel system. Let's look at some other people. Look at Jenny Maria. Look at she made $2,844 with the $7 system. Look at Rebecca. Rebecca made $1,000 also with this same system. Look at Jeremy, over $1,166 with a $7 system. All right, you can see that yourself. I'm not the one making this up. Look at Hansi. Hansi made $1,323 with the one-page funnel system. In fact, Hansi got a commission, high ticket commission of $1,200, guys. So you can get how this thing work, right? Look at another person, the one-page funnel system, that's Mitch, over $3,000. So when you look at that, you can see that this one-page funnel system can actually make you a lot of money. Let me quickly show you. Let's go straight to let me explain the one-page funnel system to you before we are done, okay? Because sometimes we have brand new people watching this video and they just want to know, what is this one-page funnel system? Now, this one-page funnel system is a $7 done for you CPA marketing system. So you only pay $7, one-time fee, no monthly fee. So this is so affordable to everybody in the world. So literally, this is, as long as you can pay your $7, this is open to everybody in the world, right? Now, and the system is completely done for you. You don't have to do anything except sharing your link, right? That's all you need to do. Now, why is it called a CPA marketing system? Now, if you know anything about CPA, okay, CPA platforms have so many products in it, okay? You have all these companies coming to a CPA platform. They are looking for customers, right? So when you join the one page funnel system and you start sharing your link all over the internet, on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, just like me, you are going to refer a lot of customers to the companies on the CPA platform. So if any of those customers buy anything, you will make commissions. So you don't have to buy anything at all. No. You don't buy anything. The customers that you are introducing through your link to the CPA platform, they are the ones that will buy the product. You will just make the commission. So that is amazing, right? And with this system, everything is done for you, okay? So once you refer somebody through your link, the system takes over. It starts following up with the customer for life, right? And not only that, it's going to introduce multiple CPA products to the customers. And whenever a sale is made, whether today or whether in the next 1 month or the next 1 year, you will get the commission. So that is powerful, right? So most of the time, the one page funnel system promotes high ticket products. And why do they do that? Because they want you to make as much money as possible, right? But you can earn commissions from $5 to $100 to even $1,000 or even above, based depending on what your referrals buy. So that is powerful, really, really powerful. So look, with a $7 system like this, you will be able to earn high ticket commissions. Amazing, right? It's really, really amazing. And look, now some of you will say, Victor, but I don't know how to promote. Now, if you don't know how to promote, you don't know how to share your link, or you don't want to do that, you can come with an arrangement with the one page funnel system admin, right? And they will promote for you, but you have to come to an arrangement with them. I'm not involved with that, right? So that is just that. So the system can become 100% done for you if you have an arrangement with the admin to promote your link for you while you focus on other things, right? Now, but for me, this is a very easy system, right? And you can make a lot of money. I have promoted a lot of systems online and I've made good money online. And this system can actually help you to make such good money. Let's check some. Let's quickly just look at some commissions that I have made online. Look at this. $421 in commission. Can you see that? Paid to my Wise account. Look at this, $1,027 in commission paid to my Wise account. Look at another one, $1,508 in commission paid to my Wise account. Look at this, $1,004 in commission paid to my Wise account. Look at this. Let's check more. Look at all these $359 commission, $317. These are paid to my PayPal account. Okay, let's check one more. Look at $600 commission paid to my PayPal account. So if you want to earn easy commissions like this, okay, where you only spend just $7 one time, okay, to just join the system, you need to join the one-page funnel system right now. So if you are interested in joining the one-page funnel system, just go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the one-page funnel system. Go ahead, click that first link, just like this. Now once you click the first link, that should bring you to this capture page website. So all you need to do, just enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says give me access. You click on that yellow button, pay your $7, and you have become a member of the one page funnel system. Now if you have any question or any confusion with the system, it's a very simple system, but if you have questions, just leave it in the comments below. I always respond to the question, and a lot of people have been asking questions, so make sure you comment below with your questions so that I can respond to it. And if you like this video, please click the like button, also click the share button, but don't forget, make sure to subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.